kilograms on the bench, 53 kilograms for Harry Thomas from Strength Academy Wales for his second bench press. So the lifter to follow Harry Thomas will be Jack Thomas. Harry Thomas followed by Jack Thomas.
Start. Push. Rock.
And loaders, it will be the same weight, 45 kilograms on the Olympic bar, 40